With the Testo 270BT frying oil tester and the Testo Smart app, you can easily determine the quality of frying oil on site. With the new Bluetooth function, the measured values can be transferred securely to your smartphone or tablet at the touch of a button. You save oil, reduce your costs and noticeably increase the quality of your frying oil and therefore the quality of your products. The ergonomic design makes operation of the Testo 270BT intuitive and safe. The capacitive sensor enables fast and reliable measurement completely without any consumable materials. Before the actual measurement begins, any number of fryers can be created as measuring points in the Testo Smart app. Here, the control point French fries fry pot is being created and configured in the app. You can set individual TPM limits for each fryer. This gives you an immediate interpretation of the measured value in traffic light colors, in the app as well as on the instrument display. The colored display illumination clearly indicates the status of the frying oil quality, green for a healthy TPM content, orange for a critical value and red for exceeded limit values. Before the measurement, the frying oil tester is connected to the Testo Smart app via Bluetooth. The previously created measuring point is selected. The following points must be observed before starting the measurement. During the measurement, the deep fryer may not contain any foodstuffs. If there are still residues of fried food in the oil, these must be removed. The frying oil must first be heated to a minimum of 40 degrees and a maximum of 200 degrees Celsius. You can start the measurement as soon as no more bubbles rise. Then there is no more residual liquid in the oil that would falsify the measurement result. The measuring instrument may only be placed into the frying oil, up to the mark. Please observe the min and max marking on the probe shaft. Keep a minimum distance of 1 cm from metallic parts, to avoid damaging the sensor. Once the probe shaft is in the frying oil, the measurement is started by pressing the hold button. To ensure that the measured value reflects the quality of all the oil in your deep fryer, the probe shaft should be moved slightly in the oil during the measurement. Auto hold in the display indicates the end of the measurement. The TPM value and the display color flash until the final measuring value is reached. As soon as a stable measured value is reached, it is held. Remove the measuring instrument from the oil. You have the option of adding a comment to each measurement in the Testo Smart app and marking it with a signature. Another useful function of the Testo Smart app is the ability to create individual reports. Simply select the desired measurement points and the date. By clicking on Generate PDF Report, the app creates a tabular PDF file with all the measured values recorded during this period. You can easily export your report or the individual raw data. As soon as the probe shaft has cooled down, you can clean it with a mild detergent or cleaning agent, then rinse the sensor under running water, and dry it carefully with a soft paper towel. Use the measuring instruments from Testo's Food BT line, to record, store, and document all HACCP-relevant measurement data centrally and reliably. The Food BT line makes HACCP documentation in the food sector easier than ever.